Why so wearing was serious? Hello to Greece. Oh, he's watching from. Oh my goodness, what happened to my bra? Look, the color of my legs is white because I always wear shorts. Next time I will wear long pants. I'm going out. Mama Shara Kashira. Oh, my tummy. My tummy. You just found a huge spider. Or spider. The spider. Is this what a spider? This butterfly. Where's a huge spider? Just walk out and don't watch me. Okay? Hi! Guys, please join my membership. Naghahanap po kuha na na. Uy, saan naman na daron? Kalungon man na ako ron. Kaya ito rin lagi sa electric fan. Yato bang yung tiil? Yeah, I'm a single mother. Now in my room, look, can you come here and squish it? You spider. I will squish your powder. Spider. Look, my son. Once you scratch his back before you get to sleep. Oh my goodness. Na! Ang katawa na yun. Nadakwa kayo. Utot, uy. Paano yung madulano? Kaya makuan to. Hi to Rosley. Huh? What was the last bug you squash? No. I don't remember. What kind of question is that? Oh. This is my son. Hi to Rosley. Watching from? Look. Nakaganihar kay pa to. Gadula pa ka. My eyes are... Hi to... Thank you for always appreciating my beauty. Oh. My tummy is out. Thank you, Sarah. Malaysia. Okay. Shout out from Malaysia. I have another cute tummy, Big Billy, okay? One of my viewers is addicted to armpit. Patulog po dali. I was afraid this time.